Apparently, if you search my makeup brand on TikTok, it will show you the makeup brand that you should be using. Well, I got Hourglass, one of my all-time favorite makeup brands. Let's do a full face of Hourglass. I'm going to start off with priming. This is the Vanish Airbrush Primer. You guys know how I feel about the skin tint. This is one of my favorites. What I love about this is it just makes your skin look super healthy and radiant. It gives you a little bit of coverage, but not too much. One of the best on the market, in my opinion. Next, we have the concealer. One of the most popular concealers. This is extremely full coverage, so I'm only gonna do just a little bit. I'm using shade Drift. This is my favorite shade in their concealer. For my complexion, it's brightening, but it's not too far off of my natural skin tone. I don't have a contour for them, so I'm gonna go straight into blush. How pretty that color is. I definitely put too much. Yeah, I did, but that's okay. Don't worry, I will fix this blush behind this. I'm going to set, this is one of my favorite translucent powders. This is so underrated. I use this all the time. And for the rest of the face, I'm going to use the pressed powder. I'm obsessed with the new holiday palette. I'm going to go in with the bronzer shade. I kind of place this all around the perimeters of the face. I'm obsessed with these palettes. I love taking them whenever I travel. Just tapping into that highlight shade. Put that on the high points of the cheek and on the nose. I'm going to spray the Soft Focus Setting Spray just to really bring some moisture back. For eyes, I'm going to use the Curator palette. Place the satin shade all over the lid. I'm going to go in with this darker shade. Put that on the lid on top of everything. This one has a shimmer to it. I'm going to keep the makeup more minimal and chic just because that's what I think of when I think of Hourglass. Going in with the Espresso Unlocked Mascara lip combo. I'm going to use shade Candid 5. This is a really pretty warm brown. Now I'm going to use shade Tide 302 just in the center. And we're just going to diffuse that into the lip liner. I'm really battling whether or not I want to keep this matte because this is stunning. But I also really want to show you guys the Glossy Bomb because this is one of my favorite Hourglass products. This is Rise. The formula of these, so good. If you know, you know. You guys, this lip combo, are we kidding? This is the final look. I'm obsessed with it. I think this glam is so classy. Tell me, what do you guys think? Is this my makeup brand?